Work has started on the change to Blackwood Station. As you can see from here, I have removed the whole of platform 7. It's now completely away. The island platform, which is platforms 5 and 6, as you can see, I have now stripped all the lighting out of the platform. The overall roof at the station has gone, all the figures have gone, and as you can see, I've also started work on the platform over here, which is platforms 2 and 4. They've also been stripped. Underneath, I've moved the lighting circuit because unfortunately most of the wiring runs up along this board here, and obviously in order to put the extension on, I'm cutting pockets, and as you can see, I've done the first pocket here. So it's simply that's the width of the extension. You can see it's very narrow. The pocket has been cut, and this is simply glued in with wood glue. Okay, so I've now completed putting the supports onto the side timber of this 4 foot by 2 foot baseboard. So just to recap exactly what I've done. First of all, this timber here is a 3 inch by 1 inch timber. I know most layouts are built with 2 inch by 1 inch, but I could never ever find 2 inch timber when I went to look for the wood for the baseboard over 10 years ago, so I ended up taking 3 inch by 1 inch. Now that has actually proved a wise decision, because it means that I have been able to cut pockets out the side of the timber to allow for point motors to go in without really compromising the integrity of the timber. There's still almost 1 inch of timber here, and obviously with the baseboard being screwed down, there's no problems of actually cutting the pockets out for the point motors. So what we've got is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets cut out. We've put on, or we've inserted these pegs along the edge of the baseboard. This is just a very thin piece of strip wood, which again has been pinned and glued all the way along. And what will happen if I now put these boards up, as you can see, we have one there, and if I come out, we have another one there. So if I come back here, there is the extension. So all that's left to be done is the actual baseboard top, the plywood top. It needs to be glued down onto these supports. Essentially this is 2.5 inches wide, so it's an additional 2 inches or so to play with. So I'll get on with that, and then I'll come back and show you the next bit I've worked on, which will probably be lifting, removing the track and starting to relay these 2 outer lines.